Hi guys, morning. Oh, still morning. um, so yesterday the government announced that Malaysia is gonna go into a lockdown beginning tomorrow for about 12, 14 days, and that means everything will stop. Everything will come to a halt. We can stay home. We can um, drink beer. You can make love. You can make babies. You can scream at your child, basically anything at home. But for us, it's a little bit interesting because we've always worked from home. That's my idea. I want my whole company to work from home, so we're not unused to this concept. Okay, it's just that it's been a pretty interesting year because last year was a challenging year for everybody. Economy is starting to slow down, and then of course the trade war that happened, and then this coronavirus thingy really now uh, stirring up a storm across the world, and of course it will affect the economy. It will affect everything. I mean, look at that. All the projects are halted. All the events are stopped. Everything just come to a halt. And I myself did not. I know I always do crazy stuff, but it is times like this where I go like, should I have hold of the purchase of that RS600 repeat? I know I sold off my cars and get these cars in, but the notion that when you get another two cars in, no matter how you need to spend some money to give the car a full service, no matter how you need to spend some money on the name change, the plate numbers, blah 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 and all that, you just come to think of those things and you're like, could have waited, you know. Anyway, what's done is done. The V12 is there now with me in a fresh new year where everybody's gonna face some economy challenges. Well, that's just me. If I couldn't afford it a few months down the road, I'm just gonna sell them. But I hope I get to survive, which I've always been since my first ever financial mistake, right? Anyway, this is my studio. A bit inspired by Naz Abdullah, because Naz, our colleague in JB, he did a beautiful studio, all black paint and all that, with his I cannot say I'm not envy, help him started in 6 months he got his 100,000 subscriber plug, and I'm still here stuck at 80,000. Anyway, I wish I have a YouTube plug as well. Anyway, this is my studio. This has been the room that my house has, but we haven't really been using it. You can hear some ambient noise because the fan is on, because my beautiful Samsung aircon, where I hardly use, broke down. Yeah, broke down. Unlike the aircon in your car, which you drive every day, shake it every day with sun, rain, heat, and it works. And this doesn't just hang up there for no reason. It just broke down by itself. When you come to think about it, what could go wrong? Nothing shakes the wiring, the IC boards, the motor and all that. Why does it suddenly stop functioning? Was it designed to? Anyway, okay, so yeah, in the next 2 or 3 weeks I'm going to be making more videos from my studio here. Later I'm going to give you a little bit of tour, and then answer some questions. And yeah, first question I want to answer. So there are quite a few of you who, of course, I cannot assume everybody that watches my videos has been following me all along, right? Some of you are first timers here and all that, and then quite a few of you ask me, Bobby, what do you do for a living? I mean, you bought a V8 and a V12 both at the same time, blah 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 blah. Well, if you look at my videos, if you look down on the descriptions, all those links are actually my businesses. Okay, so I used to publish magazines, but when magazines begin dying, I do e-magazines. I come up with something that is it's not new, but I'm gonna just flash it on the screen, right? Horizon. I have 4 magazine titles. I have the car one, the property one, and all that. I have Horizon News. We run Facebook. Yeah, basically that's like that. And if you are a business, whatever you do, let's say you sell big generators, right? You find it a hard time to let your customers go through your brochures and all that. You can come to us because we build digital brochures for customers. And the beautiful thing is that you only need to pay us once, and you won't see us forever and ever, because you can use it forever and ever without us charging you again and again and again and again. We have quite a few customers who come to us who ask us to build digital brochures for them, for their products. Their salesmen, instead of typing in WhatsApp, they can just send their customers a link. And we also run Evo Club. Evo Club is something that we created for all car owners. We want to take care of car owners, from buying a used car, who to help you to do inspection, which workshop should you go to, and what if your car runs out of warranty and you need warranty, and then after you own a car, how do you get to learn more and all that. We have the community that you can come, and then we can educate you with your people who drive the same kind of cars. And then if you're bored and single on the weekend, you got tired of masturbating all by yourself, you can join us for weekend drives, meet new friends, and we do all sorts of those kind of stuff. Okay, we have clubhouses in Penang, clubhouse in PJ, in Sunway, and we go go-karts, we go weekend drives, a lot of stuff going on with Evo Club. And of course, for any one of you who wants to promote your products, if you have really solid, great products, you want to promote them to our audience, to our club members, let us know, hit us up, we'll help you do that. Provided your product is good quality, then we will introduce it to our members, our club owners, and then club owners, club members. Okay. Facebook, if anyone wants our help to do shout out on Facebook, we have our Facebook page called Horizon Malaysia, and then we shout out just about anything. I mean, it can be a watch, it can be chair, it can be table, it can be laptops, it can be whatever. We'll help you do it. We're not super huge, but in terms of a lifestyle title in Malaysia, we're pretty alright. We have about 600 over 1,000 engagement every month. Okay. And if we compare ourselves to other lifestyle titles in Malaysia, I mean, whatever, August Man, Rock Report, whatever, I mean, we're pretty way bigger than them in that sense, alright? And then, of course, you all know us YouTubers, we have 8-9 of us. We're pretty alright. Our strategy with YouTube is that a team of us, every one of us have a voice, so we generate a lot of videos, and then collectively our team, we command about 5 million views a month, about that. So that's roughly what we do. Okay, now here's for the tour of my studio. Let me bring you around. Sorry, little bit of sneeze, little bit of itchy throat, but I got my COVID-19 test done and it was alright. These are beautiful 19-inch Goodyear Eagle F1 asymmetric 3 tires. So they are like 90% thread on my Audi S4 previously, and then GT tires wanted me to try out the GT S1 Sport, and then I changed them, and they've been here since. Should I give them out? Anyone has a 19-inch 245, 35 or 40 19-inch? I don't know, I can't recall. Basically, these are square tires. All 4 corners are the same, Audi S4. And what else I have here? Now these are, throughout the years, all the events I go to, Ferrari gifts, BMW gifts, Porsches, AMGs. Now I don't go to Muda and sell them off, but they're all here. Should I run some contests? And you guys get to win them on YouTube? Or should I not? Diaries. All the diaries from all the brands. Alright. Of course I throw a lot of them away. But Bags! Unused. Some are from Michelin, some are from Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes-Benz loves giving out bags. I've given out a lot of them. These are electronics. Thumb drives, wireless headphones, wireless chargers, wireless speakers, wireless everything, tire pressure sensors. All these are here. Crazy. What's over here? Nothing much. And then over here, I have my favorite magazine from any car companies, Ferrari magazine. Thank you, Ferrari. Beautiful magazines. That's my Tumi bag. I use it daily now. And my Ferrari ang paos over here. Those up there. My bicycles, my carbon fiber bicycle. I bought it and then never used it. My mini bicycle. That's something I bought in Wolfsburg. And one day, okay, when I bought that, I have this thought that my son will be highly interested in cars, and then both of us will be assembling it together. And when it comes to cars, he's a piece of shit. Yeah, he has zero interest. I'm sad. And then I have neighbors telling me, my son, 8 years old, he's a super fan of yours, he loves cars. Can we swap sons? Okay. Got myself a little bit of whiteboard so that I can do the hello everyone and welcome. Yeah, that Jason thing, engineering explained. But I kind of regret because it's too small. I should have bought at least a 6-footer. This is 3x4. And then here's the Evo Club logo on the flag of Evo Enduro. You want me to explain it a little bit? Okay. This represents Sungai Liam. Go figure it out. Okay. These are some Rumah Melayus. Okay. This can be a coconut tree or a palm tree. And this is some twisty roads now, huh? But it's in Penang. And these leaves, those of you who can recognize these leaves, you are awesome. These are leaves from our national flower, Bunga Raya, hibiscus. Alright, that's our Evo Club logo. Some paper bags, car branded paper bags. And that's my toilet. Nothing much to see here. I take pictures of hot cars coming here and then alright. Yeah, that's my studio. And the stupid Samsung air conditioning unit. Yep, they always break down. Alright, so yep, that's my little studio. These are the RS6s that my friends got for me. What else you want to know? Let me know. Cheers guys, stay safe.